Welcome to Learner's Guide. We all are humans born with dignity and equal rights. Therefore, if someone tries to take away our rights, we need to fight back. 10th December. Have a happy Human Rights Day. Let's start speech on Human Rights Day. Wouldn't it be a great sight to see every human being enjoying their rights? Have a happy Human Rights Day. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, dear friends, and fellow students. Today we gather here to observe Human Rights Day. This significant day reminds us of the universal values of dignity, equality, and freedom that every individual deserves by virtue of being human. Every year on December 10th, we celebrate Human Rights Day to mark the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights by the United Nations in 1948. This document is a global milestone that declares the rights and freedom every human being deserves, no matter who they are or where they come from. Despite this declaration, many people worldwide still face injustice, discrimination, and inequality. Human trafficking, child labor, lack of access to education, and violations of freedom are ongoing issues that need our attention. Upholding human rights is not just the responsibility of governments, it is also our duty as individuals. The theme for Human Rights Day 2024 is Our Rights, Our Future, Right Now. This year's theme is a call to acknowledge the importance and relevance of human rights in our everyday lives. Human rights are not just about laws, they are about creating a culture of respect, empathy, and equality. Human Rights Day is not just about the rights we enjoy, but also about the responsibilities we have to protect the rights of others. As young individuals and future leaders, we have the power to make a difference. By standing up for justice, treating others with respect, and raising our voices against discrimination, we can contribute to a fairer society. Let us remember that protecting human rights is not just a duty, it is a moral obligation. Together, we can build a world where everyone enjoys freedom, equality, and dignity. Let us pledge to create an environment where no one is left behind and everyone feels valued. Remember, change begins with us. Human rights are universal. Let's protect them. Thank you, and let's continue to make a difference every day.